What's going on, everyone? We're here at Johnson High School, the high school that I went to, and today's a career fair. So we're teaching the kids a little bit about coding. We're going to help them find what they maybe want to do in life, and we're also going to show them how to shoot their first podcast. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's go. We're just getting started, but it's already been a lot of fun having some kids come here. The kids are expressing their interest in like media and tech, and some people are finding out that they would be best suited to be a sports coach just based on their interests, so that's super cool. One of the things that feels so good in this moment is knowing that I was in these halls too. I came here for 4 years and I enjoyed my time here, but coming back about 10 years later is crazy to me. And seeing the kids who are here, having a lot of value that's brought to them by all these different vendors, different people who are doing really cool things, is such a great way for them to find out what exactly they may be passionate about and want to do in life. I'm happy to be here. Thank you, Johnson High School, for having me. If you were to pick one thing right now that you're most interested in, what would you say it is?
Probably music production.
Music production.
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys. So I'm here with one of my high school guidance counselors, Miss Malari. So good to see you.
So good to see you.
Yes, likewise. One thing I'm curious about is, what would you say is the best part of your job?
The students. Building a relationship with the students. They're just moldable. They're looking for direction but won't ask for direction.
That's right, yeah.
So having those authentic, genuine conversations and letting them discover who they are throughout these years and preparing them for the next step in their journey, whether it's the workforce or college or military. It's and then even staying in contact with them.
That's
like
right.
you after they get out of school and seeing you become the young adults that you.
That's right.
I don't know. I love it. It's so rewarding.
I believe it. I mean, I'll tell you one thing. I remember going into your office and being just happy to go there, feeling like it was a safe space for me, and just you helping me navigate my ideas and get to the next stages. Thank you for that. Thank you for everything you're doing for all these students here, and I'm so excited to see what the future has.
My pleasure.
Yeah, good seeing you.
You too.
Thank you. Awesome. Sweet. So you were saying how many total are in the media club?
So on the broadcast team, we have 7, and we have about 3 or 4 that do TikToks around the school.
Really? That's awesome. How long have you been doing it?
We started the first week of December this year.
Okay.
We're about 4 months into the club.
And what's your favorite part about it?
My favorite part is doing play-by-play at the sports games.
Nice.
I mean, that's something I've always had a passion in.
Yeah.
But, the TikTok, we already have 900 followers.
Really?
Almost 600 on Instagram. So, that's a big benefit of it. And the publicity and the positive outlook we put in the school is definitely my favorite part.
All right, guys, I'm here with my high school math teacher, Miss Rogetta. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm very well. Thank you for inviting me.
Of course, it's so great to see you.
It's good to see you too, and it's honestly awesome to be here. I feel like all the kids are just benefiting so much from all the different vendors, people taking time out of their day, and I feel just this positive energy in the room.
It is. We really appreciate everybody because we can't make this happen without you guys. But our goal is to expose the students to careers that they might not know about already, and let them know what's out there.
Oh, I love that.
Yep.
Let me ask you this. What's your favorite part about your job?
Connecting to the students,
Yeah.
Seeing them when they get older and coming back, learning about them personally.
Yeah.
Math is my gateway to do that, but it gets me in the classroom and around the kids all day, so it's great. Yeah.
I love that. Well, thank you for everything you're doing, and I'm
Thank you.
excited to see what the future holds.
Thank you. We're glad you could come. Thanks so
Likewise.
much.
Guys, listen up. We're here at Johnson High School, and I'm standing next to my high school football coach. Coach, how you doing?
Very good.
It's good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
You look
too.
good. You look great.
You too.
One thing I want to ask you is, you see a lot of students come through these doors, and one thing over the years that maybe you've taken away is the difference between the kids who are good at football and the kids who are great. And just athletes in general, what do you think is that difference there?
Well, that's a tough question, but some kids, some athletes, some people just come through and they have a total different athleticism to them.
Yeah.
It's more natural. They're natural athletes. Sometimes those natural athletes versus someone that doesn't have the talent, but they have a work ethic.
Yeah.
And that can kind of balance it off. Sometimes the athletes that are good when they're younger don't put the work ethic in, and the person has a decent athleticism, but they're hard workers, they can overcome that.
Let me ask you this. You looking out at this beautiful field you have here and have been a coach, I wonder what excites you about your job. What's the best part about it?
Every year there's new kids coming through. And just like I'm sitting here talking, standing here talking to you, and that, your crew of kids that went through, you were going through a part of life that I knew what you were going to see, but
So
you
true.
didn't, right? So there's an excitement,
Yeah.
there's the camaraderie, the friendship, the memories
Yeah.
that we've talked about before.
Oh.
That you can't. If a kid comes to school and doesn't play a sport,
Yeah.
is not on a team, you can't buy those memories. You can't make those memories, right?
Yep.
And it's not just the good times; it's the grind of it.
Yeah.
It's the fun in the locker room.
That's right.
It's times where I see players now and they go, "Remember the time you yelled at us for this?"
Oh, that's what I said to you. No, but that's
it's
good.
so it's the tough times too.
It's tough. No.
So it's different than just coming to school and leaving at 1:30. And for me, the best part is, again, I get to see success
Yeah.
after.
Yeah.
And a lot of the success, not because it's me, it's because of some of the stuff that they had to go through, the tough
Definitely.
times at morning practice. Or
Definitely. Run up
it's
this
the
hill
grind.
in the rain.
Yeah, and
Us
that's the
getting
difference
up.
with football than
Yeah.
it's a real grind.
That's right.
So the bond from football, you've got the violence of it.
Yeah.
You're a little up, there's nervousness. There's injuries involved. You got a lot of guys, it's intense.
It is.
So of course, when football ends, nothing really can fill that void as much.
That's right.
People normally go through that once.
True.
But I get to go through that cycle all the time, and that's
awesome.
the best part about it is
awesome.
it keeps you young with the guys.
You are. You are.
Yeah.
I can see it in you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, man.
Yeah,
I
thank
appreciate
you.
you. Thanks.
Yeah,
I love what
yeah.
you're doing. Keep going. All right, guys. As you can see, we had a ton of fun here at Johnson High School today. The kids, so cool. And honestly, them just being so friendly, so open and sharing about themselves, trying to discover who they are, so great to see. Stay tuned on the Upward and Onward podcast channel. There's a lot more coming, lots of fun. I'll see you on the next one.